Hello traders, a fixed trader with InvestorShout.com here today, and I want to talk to you about the stock chart for OTHM, Orion's Travel and Hotel Management Corporation, which is an OTC markets traded stock. So the primary thing I really want to point out on this chart would be the major but steady accumulation we've seen here lately. As you can see, just from a quick glance at the chart, there's been a lot of buying pressure, a lot of green days in recent trading sessions, and the volume has been solid for a few of those days, pretty high. So when you have gains on a chart mixed with higher volume, it generally means accumulation, especially when your red days are lower volume. As you can see just from looking right here, the red days are much lower in volume than the green days. So there's been really solid accumulation, and that is backed up by a quick glance at the accum-dist and OBV lines, which are both pointing up in agreement, and they've both been steadily trending up. So accumulation has been here without a doubt. You can also verify that by looking at the CMF, which is the Chaikin money flow, another accumulation indicator. You can see that it's currently at 0.348. It's generally assumed that 0.2 is considered bullish and 0.4 is considered extremely bullish as far as this accumulation goes, and sitting at 0.348, it's really close to hitting that extremely bullish category, and it's been positive here for some time now, all the way back into late September. So major accumulation here after this little correction from this major run up to almost 0.005 back in here in July. So definitely seeing a pretty strong amount of accumulation on this chart. Other things worth mentioning really quickly would be the RSI. You'll see that it is currently sitting at 62.24, which is within the buy zone as far as the RSI is read, which is between 50 and 70, and it's right in that sweet spot, almost just about right in the middle. Both the 5-period and 14-period RSI are trending up, and we have that bullish 5-period over 14-period RSI crossover. So looking good in terms of that as well. We've also broken above the 13-period exponential moving average, which is sitting at 0017, and we're trading at, we closed today at 0019. So broken above that 13-day exponential moving average, which is a huge short-term momentum indicator. The other short-term momentum indicators like the MACD also confirmed that, recently got its crossover, and it's spreading apart more, and the TRIX just crossed over as well. So short-term momentum is there. Oh, and also the Williams percent R is bouncing around in this overbought category, which is bullish as far as this indicator goes. You like to see that oscillate in that range above -20 there. So short-term momentum is in. We got the PAR-SAR flip. It's currently under the price per share, which is a bullish signal as far as that indicator goes. It's assumed that when the PAR-SAR is above the price per share, it's still shortable, and when it's below the price per share, that's when it becomes a buy as far as that indicator goes. So that's looking good. We've also got, we've been trading in a channel lately. I'm going to switch it up and draw some lines here. Basically between 0013 area and if we look up to here where it's hit a few times, 0017 to 8-ish, that's been the channel we've been looking at, and breaking above that is a really bullish sign. Channel breaks can often lead to big moves, as was seen back here, right here when it hit almost 0025. So we're looking to see continuation here, and on today's strong volume, that's looking good. A lot of people accumulated shares at above this channel range. So OTHM is one to keep on watch for Thursday morning and later into the week as we watch this continue to play out. Thanks for watching.